Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing what I truly think is the most value for money Apple purchase of the year, the 5th generation iPad Air or the M1 iPad Air, along with two perfect accessories from Amazon Basic, the smart case cover and the Gen 2 pencil. And the best part, I got the whole setup for around 27,000 rupees. Yes, you can tell I'm excited. Let's start with the star of the show, the M1 iPad Air. I got a moderately used demo piece from a retailer close by. This comes with the original box, but no charger or cable. And when you see inside, it's absolutely worth it. And there it is, that beautiful blue finish. Subtle yet striking. It stands out without being over the top and gives the device a super clean and modern vibe. First impression, it feels premium, super sleek, light, and that aluminium body just screams quality. The 10.9-inch liquid retina display is bright, sharp, and the bezels are just right. It's running on the M1 chip, which means this little guy is packing serious power. Same as the older MacBook Airs. Honestly, even just holding it, you know this is a high-end machine. Next, let's unbox the Amazon Basic Smart Case cover. Super minimal packaging and it offers nice cushioning to the iPad Air. It folds into a neat tri-fold stand, supports auto sleep wake, and has the soft inner lining to protect the screen. It's functional, lightweight, and matches the aesthetic of the iPad without hiding the beautiful blue color. Perfect daily driver cover. Now for productivity and creativity, here's the Amazon Basics Gen 2 pencil. Just like Apple's, it magnetically attaches to the side of the iPad. It pairs instantly and works like a charm for sketching, note-taking, and other precision tasks at the fraction of the cost of the original Apple Pencil. Okay, so how did the whole setup come under 27,000 rupees? The iPad 5 demo unit costed me around 25,000 rupees. The smart case cover was around 400 rupees from Amazon. The Gen 2 pencil again from Amazon was 1500 rupees. So that's a powerful, stylish, and a complete iPad setup under 30k. And it's easily one of my smartest buy for the year 2025. Let's compare this to some of the other iPads out there. The A16 iPad costs more, still lacks the laminated display, premium finish, and M series power. You're literally paying more for less. When I compare with the iPad 10 Gen, again you're spending around the same but getting a slower chip, less refined build, and fewer future-proof features. The iPad mini is a great device, but it has a smaller screen, and at that price, it doesn't make any sense unless you specifically want that size. So, what do I lose by not going for the newer M2 or M3 iPad Airs? I miss out on a slightly better GPU performance, the newer camera placement and efficiency tweaks. But for everything I do on daily basis, content, notes, editing, planning, the M1 is still a beast and at that price difference, massive. I'm cool with this trade-off. Here's how this iPad fits into my everyday workflow. Reading books and PDFs, planning and finalizing scripts, video editing, note taking, photo editing, watching here and there some videos on YouTube and Netflix, and some casual gaming. When I attach a Bluetooth keyboard, this becomes a distraction-free writing machine. So there you have it, the M1 iPad Air with its smart accessories costing under just 27k. It's powerful, portable, and stylish, and fits into my creative lifestyle perfect. I was looking for the best budget iPad, and this is it. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more such tech videos and content. Drop a comment on what's your push to upgrade from the current tablet you're holding on to.